22 mga timyas adalaga. Ila rin miligligan para king piyeka malagong bengi king probinsyang Pampanga, ing Mutya Ning Kapampangan 2024. Opisyal na lang miyarap at may pakilala rin ni kasabi ng slashing ceremony, King Kingsborough International Convention Center Ciudad San Fernando, Miyerkules, November 6. Pakit lamo namang kabias na rin kandidata king press presentation. Kapamilitan ng pamamakibat ka rin kutang na rin miyembro ng local media. Bikil ka rin miyayaliwang pisabyon.
I would promote my advocacy, which is Colors of Courage, Youth and Women Empowerment through the arts, specifically Kapampangan arts. I would not only be influential and impactful towards the women and the youth that I would meet. Not only do I want to touch their lives and their hearts, but I also want to interconnect my passion, which is the arts and creativity, through sharing our Kapampangan culture as well, through our weaving, pearl making, and even the culinary arts.
Being beautiful should be holistic and subjective. When we say beauty or beautiful, it doesn't only imply our external look, but also what's on the inside. The inner beauty of the mind, the inner beauty of our soul, and the inner beauty of our heart. But at the end of the day, I believe that outer beauty attracts, but inner beauty captivates. Thank you.
Masaya na namang belita ng Provincial Tourism Officer ay Mike Castañeda ing 100% participation na rin balang-balan at syudad kay Labod, Kapampangan.
Kompleto na po. 22 LGUs, including that, of course, 19 municipalities and 1 highly urbanized city and 2 component cities na nung nuka rin talaga namang well-represented yaing Lagong, Kapampangan.
Agpangpakang Castañeda, matigiging karelang pamagsadya para king pre-pageant ang pang coronation night. Amisulong alimu king lego ang Kapampangan, nunay ang agyang king kultura, tradisyon, ang pong kasalisayan.
Every weekend at tintamo pong tedious and rigorous rehearsal na nung nuka rin din kakatang candidate at ilang pasarela training at ilang workshop karen kalang Q&A at ilang rehearsals da karen karelang bawat segment na nung nuka rin akit tamo keng kakatamang pre-pageant competition ang popakyang coronation night.
Liana Canilaw, CLTV36 News.